Welcome to our lesson on advanced level careers in cybersecurity. Today, we will explore various roles that require specialized skills and knowledge, building on what we've learned in previous lessons. Let's discuss key roles in cybersecurity. First, security analysts play a vital role in monitoring systems. Additionally, penetration testers help identify vulnerabilities through simulated attacks. Security engineers play a crucial role in building robust systems. They design secure frameworks and conduct risk assessments to mitigate potential threats effectively. Emerging roles are reshaping the cybersecurity landscape. Cloud security specialists focus on securing cloud infrastructures, while AI security analysts leverage technology to predict threats. This quote highlights the dynamic nature of cybersecurity careers. As we progress, remember that adaptability is key to success in this field. To excel in advanced-level careers, certain skills are essential. Technical skills in programming and networking are crucial, along with strong analytical thinking for problem-solving. Certifications play a significant role in advancing your career. The CISSP and CH are two highly regarded certifications that enhance your professional profile in cybersecurity. Networking is vital in the cybersecurity field. Joining professional groups and attending conferences can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Career advancement in cybersecurity requires continuous learning. Staying updated with trends and seeking mentorship can significantly enhance your professional journey. In conclusion, advanced-level careers in cybersecurity offer numerous opportunities. Remember to continuously develop your skills and network effectively as you progress in this field. Looking ahead, we can expect increased demand for cybersecurity professionals. Additionally, the integration of AI into security practices will become increasingly essential. As we wrap up, reflect on your personal growth in cybersecurity. Staying curious and seeking new knowledge will drive your success in this ever-evolving field. This quote by Malcolm X reminds us of the importance of preparation. As you advance in your career, always be ready for future challenges. To expand your knowledge, consider enrolling in online courses. Additionally, reading books and articles will help you stay informed about industry trends. As you consider your career path, set clear goals that will guide your decisions. Additionally, actively seek opportunities to grow and advance in your cybersecurity career. Thank you for joining this lesson on advanced-level careers in cybersecurity. We hope you feel inspired to pursue your career goals and continue learning in this exciting field.